Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is analysis of variance ANOVA. The partial single factor ANOVA is source of variance, degree of freedom. So you will see that it is 12 because total is 14, so it is 12 and total is 0.4309. So and this is 370, so subtract this and we get 0.0608 because you see that 0.3701 and 0.4309 equals to 0.0608. and now mean square is equal to 0.0304 and mean square of the error MST is equal to 0.030841 as 0.3701 divided by 12 equals to 0.030841 and 0.0608 divided by 2 equals to 0.0304. So F statistics, F is equal to mean square of treatment divided by mean square of error equals to 0.304 divided by 0.0308 equals to 1.014. So friends, this is the F statistics value 1.014.